Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how you can easily and simply in the new iOS 17 to remove unnecessary and old wallpapers and install new ones. That is, look to remove wallpapers. It can be, by the way, not only iOS 17, but also 16 difference is no difference. Nothing has changed. You need to take your device at unlock. Now you pull the curtain down, press your wallpaper, and you will need to select from this list of unnecessary wallpapers that you want to delete. And now you just pull up and press delete and then press delete this wallpaper. We just deleted the old wallpaper. Now to create a new wallpaper, just press plus. And here we can select the desired wallpaper that we are interested in and already set for yourself the wallpaper that you like. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.